I'll guide you through how to officially activate and fully verify your Cash App account so you can break past basic transaction caps and secure complete asset freedom. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Reaching the green Cash App home screen means your profile exists, but an unverified account leaves your capital heavily restricted. Unverified profiles face a tight security ceiling, restricting you to sending just $250 a week and only receiving up to $1,000 within a rolling 30-day window. If you cross a lifetime receiving total of $1,500, the system will lock down completely until compliance data clears. To activate your verification process, open your Cash App dashboard, look up at the top right corner, and tap your profile icon. Scroll through the options panel, select personal information, and continue down to the identity verification section. Tap the Verify link to feed the automated validation engine. The interface layout forms will prompt you for 3 unalterable core data components, which are your full legal name, your exact date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Ensure this metadata perfectly aligns with your state documents because typos or nicknamed handles will trigger an automatic compliance rejection, freeze your current balance, and force a tedious manual support ticket review. If the automated verification checks require additional structural proof, the app layout will open a secure mobile camera portal. Follow the on-screen prompts to capture a glare-free, unexpired image of your government photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, alongside a quick biometric selfie verification. Once submitted, Cash App routes your details through an encrypted system queue, and the approval process typically concludes within 48 hours. To audit your active status, simply revisit your Personal Information tab. Once cleared, the interface text will officially switch to verified. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.